Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar pathway lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Alipod Solar Pathway Lights Outdoor. These lights are an excellent choice if you're looking for versatility and customizability. Featuring 3 adjustable lighting modes, the Alipod lights allow you to tailor the brightness and ambiance to your preferences. Whether you want a soft glow for relaxation or a brighter light for security. The 8-pack set comes with a durable IP65 waterproof design, making it resilient against heavy rain, frost, or extreme heat. The build quality is solid, with lightweight yet durable plastic construction. It's designed for hassle-free installation using stake mounts, and the automatic dusk-to-dawn operation ensures you don't have to worry about turning them on or off manually. Performance-wise, the lights deliver up to 12 hours of use on a full charge, thanks to their efficient solar panels. This makes them a reliable option for extended nighttime illumination. While the Alipod lights are affordable at $39.99, the brightness isn't the highest on the market, and they may not be ideal for those seeking ultra-bright lighting. However, their adjustable modes and energy-efficient design make them a great value for decorative purposes or enhancing pathways and gardens with style and safety. At number 4, we have the budget-friendly Gruna Solar Lights Outdoor 12-pack. Despite its lower price point of $35.99, this set offers great value with its Edison-style LED bulbs and high-transmittance lampshades, which create a stunning dappled lighting effect. The lights are easy to install, requiring no wiring. Just insert the stakes into the ground, and you're good to go. With an IP44 waterproof rating, these lights are durable enough to withstand rain, snow, and frost. Although they may not perform as well in extreme conditions compared to higher-rated models. The Gruna lights feature auto on-off functionality, turning on at dusk and off at dawn. They deliver 8 to 10 hours of runtime on a full charge, which is decent for a budget option. The lightweight plastic construction keeps the product affordable, but does mean it may lack the premium feel of glass or metal designs. One standout feature is the 12-pack quantity, which allows you to cover larger areas at a fraction of the cost of other brands. Overall, the Gruna solar lights are ideal for those on a tight budget who need a practical solution for lighting pathways and gardens. While they may not be as bright or durable as premium options, they offer a stylish and functional design for everyday use. Coming in at number 3 is the Alfiat Solar Pathway Lights Outdoor. As the premium option on our list, these lights boast high efficiency and durability with their advanced monocrystalline silicon solar panels and IP65 waterproof rating. The sleek, modern design adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor spaces, making them perfect for patios, walkways, and driveways. The automatic dusk-to-dawn functionality is a convenient feature, ensuring seamless operation without manual intervention. These lights offer excellent performance, with bright, warm white illumination and a sturdy build quality. The materials used, though primarily plastic, are robust and weather-resistant, ensuring long-lasting use even in challenging conditions. At $59.99, they are the most expensive option on our list, but the higher price is justified by their reliability and stylish design. While these lights are ideal for those seeking premium aesthetics and performance, the higher cost may be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, the illumination is more decorative than functional for areas requiring high brightness. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor ambiance with a high-quality product, the Alfiat Solar Pathway Lights are a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the BitPot Bright Solar Pathway Lights Outdoor. These lights shine brightly with their tungsten filament bulbs, offering a warm white glow that creates a romantic retro ambiance. The thick, high-transparency lampshade ensures durability and enhances the light projection for a beautiful lighting effect. With an IP65 waterproof rating, the BitPot lights are designed to withstand rain, snow, and frost, making them suitable for year-round use. The standout feature here is the upgraded monocrystalline solar panel, which provides faster charging times and up to 12 to 14 hours of illumination on a full charge. The automatic on-off functionality adds convenience by eliminating the need for manual operation. These lights are also easy to install, requiring minimal effort to set up in your garden, patio, or driveway. At $53.99, BitPot strikes a balance between price and performance. While slightly pricier than some other options, their exceptional runtime and durable design make them a worthy investment for those seeking reliable and stylish pathway lighting. The only downside is that they may not be the brightest option for areas requiring high visibility, but for decorative purposes, they are hard to beat. And finally, at number 1, we have the Manra Solar Pathway Lights. These lights are the perfect blend of style, durability, and performance. Featuring a US patented design, the Manra lights use LED filament bulbs and a transparent glass lampshade to deliver a warm 3000K glow that's both bright and non-glare. This 8-pack set is ideal for creating a cozy and inviting ambiance in your yard, garden, or driveway. What sets the Manra lights apart is their robust build quality. The combination of stainless steel poles, glass lampshades, and an IP65 waterproof rating ensures they can withstand even the harshest weather conditions. Unlike plastic alternatives, the glass construction resists yellowing and corrosion, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. The lights also feature advanced monocrystalline silicon panels with a 25% conversion rate, allowing for efficient charging and extended runtime from dusk to dawn. Priced at $45.99, the Manra Solar Pathway Lights offer fantastic value for their premium materials and reliable performance. They're easy to install and versatile enough for any outdoor setting. The only minor downside is the slightly lower brightness compared to some competitors, but the overall quality and aesthetic make them the top choice for homeowners seeking durable, stylish, and functional pathway lighting. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.